Hello guys, there we have a Honor 70 and today I will show you how you can perform a reverse image Google search on this device. So there is two ways to do it, by Google Lens and by the web browser. I will show you now the first way. To do it we have to download Google Photos and open it. Now choose the photo that you want to search in the Google and tap here on Google Lens. You can see now we are looking for similar images in the Google. Okay, now the second way, by the web browser, so open your web browser now. We have to close the incognito tab and go to the google.com. Now it's very important, switch your web browser to the desktop side mode. You can see now the small camera icon appears and click it. Now just upload the file and add a permission. Now choose the file again and click done. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.